Hi, welcome to FocusRE, and today we have the Unisim model loaded, and we're going to bring in some more cases and try to export some of those cases after some editing straight into Excel. So let's jump straight in, and I already have DOE 2120 loaded. So I'm going to start with these cases, DOE 2120. I'll drag and drop them straight in. I'll do the same with the cases that are labeled 19. And the reason I'm doing this is to keep it all sort of numerically ordered, and then all the remaining 258 cases, I'll then highlight and just drag and drop them in. We'll give FocusRE just a second to upload those cases. And one thing you'll notice is if it starts uploading the cases, even during this process, you can already start using the tool. But we'll give that a second to finish. And what I'll do is I'll select all my cases labeled DOE 20. I select apply to all and change the color to black. I'll do the same with the cases labeled 19 and change the color to red. And what I can then do is just highlight all of those and export them straight to Excel. I'll call them Unisim cases 20 to 19, and we'll go ahead and save those. We can also very briefly, while that exports, we can highlight all of the remaining cases and have a look at what we've got here. If we go into our wells, we can have a look at a few of our wells, and we can see that they get colored according to the well colors. As we can see, our Excel spreadsheet has been exported. Oil production rate, gas production rate, water production rate, and water cut, all neatly organized with its interactive graphs. Thank you very much.